are going to love the 2017 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, power sunroof, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated seats, Bluetooth, Sirius Satellite Radio, auxiliary audio input, premium sound system, push-button start, security system, low tire pressure warning. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries.